Welcome back, cruisers. It's Taylor with the Vacationeer, and today we're going to be exploring an interior plus stateroom on board Royal Caribbean's Legend of the Seas. Now, before booking, be sure to contact your favorite Vacationeer advisor or click the booking link below for exclusive rates, onboard credit, group cruises, and more. Reach out today to see what you're missing and secure the best value in cruising. Now, without further ado, let's dive right in and tour the room. As you enter the stateroom, you'll find coat hooks on your right and a small magnetic button on the door to indicate that you're sleeping in. On the left of the entry to the bathroom, you'll find the temperature control unit, which also functions as the lighting control for the entire room. The bathroom features a small sink, a backlit mirror, and 2 US plugs, and although storage options are somewhat limited, there is open storage underneath the sink, on the side of the mirror, and 1 drawer for concealed items. The shower features an adjustable shower wand as well as daily refreshed amenities and a bench for shaving. All interior categories are equipped with Royal Caribbean's Royal King mattress, which can be set up as pictured or as 2 separate beds, depending on your preference. One side of the bed has a US plug and a USB port hidden in the lamp, while the other side has a USB port in the lamp and some storage. However, there are no outlets on this side of the bed. There's also plenty of space underneath the bed for luggage or large items, and set in the corner of the room is a comfy reading chair with a side table and a matching ottoman. In front of the bed, there's a large flat panel TV for exploring the ship, watching on-demand movies, or tuning into live TV channels. These Interior Plus staterooms have a unique design that features a walk-in closet that also houses a small desk that can be used as a vanity. This is where you'll find a complimentary hairdryer and several outlets including Euro and a combo plug, as well as USB and USB-C plugs. The desk area also includes a drawer down below and a backlit mirror. Set next to the desk is ample closet storage with full-length hanging space, handy baskets for tucking away those packing cubes, and this is also where you'll find the room safe as well as the mini fridge tucked down below. Finally, set at the end of the closet is a full-length mirror. As we all know, the stateroom is just one part of the onboard experience. With a variety of included entertainment, specialty restaurants, and upgrades, there's something for everyone. And to help you get more from your cruise, the Vacationeer offers exclusive onboard credit deals that you won't find when booking directly with the cruise line. Contact the Vacationeer today to get the best value in cruising. And if you enjoyed this room tour, please give it a like, hit subscribe, and check out the other videos on our channel for all your cruise content. Until next time, this is Taylor with the Vacationeer, and I hope to see you all out on the high seas on board Royal Caribbean sometime soon, perhaps having a perfect day at Coco Cay.